Yo, 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 CPA Strength here, back with another video. I decided, this is the road to 240, yeah, number 5, road to 240, number 5. I haven't done this in about 2 years. I haven't done this series in about 2 years. So anyways, I'm like, what can I do? What can I do? You know, what can I do? I'm not feeling good about really nothing. So, I'm gonna start tracking my macros. I know, how many times have I said I'm gonna be a robot for the next couple months? But I just did, it's like February, March, April, that's it. 3 months till my 41st birthday. And yeah, I wanna get down to 240. So it's like maybe a pound and a half a week. I'm gonna use the app Fit Genie, and I'm gonna use the app Fit Genie. So that's what we're gonna be doing, man. We're gonna be going road to 240. I struggle with my weight. I eat as a substitution for drugs and alcohol. So I haven't drank in real close to 5 years, and that's coming up. Haven't done, well, that's really the only thing I cut out is the alcohol. So I do other stuff here and there. That's just how it is with me. But the food, yeah, I use food as like I want to be bad, and I substitute food for the alcohol and being bad. It's very similar result in being that when I used to drink, I never like did small drinking. It was always, you know, 30, 20 beers, a bottle of alcohol, 8 ball of cocaine, you know, oh, you got some heroin? Yeah, give me some heroin. You got meth? Yeah, give me some meth. And then after the run, I just feel like complete garbage. So it's like that McDonald's mukbang yesterday just wrecked me emotionally, physically. It's so similar to an alcohol drug binge hangover. I didn't want to get up out of bed today. So I'm like, what can I do? What could I do? I don't know. I sat here in my office for like an hour and a half. Like, what are videos I'm going to do? Looking at my analytics. The only thing that people really like is the accounting stuff. I don't blame you guys. I don't blame you. More accounting, more accounting. For me, I need to do this for me. The road to 240, it's back. I've already got the exercise almost in place. I do a 6-day split, and the 7th day is cardio or basketball or something outside basketball. Yeah, so the thing that's not in check is my nutrition. Oh, my exercise has been spotty, but I've got my exercise back on track. The thing that I don't have on track is my fat ass likes to binge on food or not track or be bad, and I'm done with that. Why not try for the next 3 months to track my food again, lose some weight, feel good about my body? Because I don't feel good about my body right now. I feel like I might as well be 310 pounds. Like, at least when I was, you know, 310, 315, at least I was big. Like, damn, that guy's big. That guy's a fat piece of shit. He's big. Now I'm just like, what is that guy? Kinda looks like he exercises, but he's still a fat piece of shit. past little bit, I don't know what makes me happy. I don't really have any goals right now with my life. And yeah, I'm like severely depressed. So hopefully having a goal that I can attain, like it doesn't matter, one cool thing about it is I can control what I put in my mouth. And we're gonna do that. We're gonna get down to 240. Hopefully it'll help my brain function a little bit. Like hopefully I won't be so depressed. I don't really know. That's something I have no idea about. I've had severe depression ever since I can remember, and I think that's a big reason why I used drugs and alcohol. And I guess before that I would eat a lot. So I've always used something to try to mask my unhappiness. Yeah, this was supposed to be a road to 240, like, hey, I'm a fat piece of shit, I'm not gonna try to be, but, well, it's the road to 240, so we'll see how I get by May 1st. Like, it's only 3 more months. Hope you guys have a great day. Hope you guys have a great week. Let's crush this week. I'm gonna track all my food intake for this week. I'm gonna exercise every day. This is the weirdest CPA, the most depressed CPA ever.